Hello. Hangeul is one of the most scientific writing systems in the world. Today, let's discover how it was born and unlock the secret of its 8 simple vowels. Long ago, Koreans had no script of their own, so they borrowed complex Chinese characters. Hangeul was so hard that most common people could not read at all. Seeing his people suffer because they could not read, King Sejong was deeply moved. Out of compassion, I create 28 new letters. Finally, in 1443, Hunminjeongeum was born. A script anyone could learn. The wise learned it in a morning, anyone within 10 days. Hangeul's vowels are modeled on 3 elements of the universe: heaven, earth, and human. Heaven is a round dot, earth a flat horizontal line, and human an upright vertical line. Add the heaven dot to the right of the human line and you get the bright sound.
Ah.
The rising sun in the east. Put it on the left and you get the dark sound.
Oh.
The setting sun in the west. Place the dot above the earth line and you get
Ooh.
below it.
Ooh.
Rising above is bright, sinking below is dark. So bright vowels pair with bright, and dark vowels with dark. This beautiful order is called vowel harmony. Now let's make some sounds. Korean has 8 simple vowels. Unlike English, the secret is to keep your mouth shape perfectly still. Let's say them together.
아, 어, 워, 우, 을, 이, 예, 예.
First,
Ah.
and
Oh.
for both, drop your jaw to open wide and keep your lips flat. Open wider for.
Ah.
A bit narrower for.
Oh.
For.
Ooh.
And.
Ooh.
Round your lips like holding a straw and push them forward.
Ooh.
Is a little bigger.
Ooh.
Smaller and tighter. For. Stretch your lips flat sideways like a forced smile. For.
이.
Pull them even wider so your teeth almost show. Finally.
에.
And.
에.
Open your mouth moderately with the tongue forward. In modern Korean, the 2 sounds are almost the same. Check in a mirror. Your lips should round only for.
오.
And.
우.
Never for.
어.
Or.
으.
Practice today's vowels in front of a mirror every day. Subscribe and like for more fun Hangeul adventures. See you next time.